Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use an echo boomerang effect on Instagram stories. Instagram lets its users while shooting a boomerang on stories choose from free effects like slow motion, duo or echo. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use an echo boomerang effect. Go to Instagram Home tab. Swipe right or hit your story in the top left corner. When the camera window opens, click on the boomerang icon on the left side of the screen. Tap the button in order to record your boomerang. Once you have captured a clip, press on the infinity icon at the top of the screen and the window with effects will open. Now find the echo effect. After that, hit Done in the upper right corner. Now you can edit your boomerang by applying filters, inserting stickers, drawing or writing something if you want. When the boomerang is ready, click on the Send To button and share your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use an echo boomerang effect on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.